TH, your #1 educational app.
Welcome to today's video. I'm Joyce Parker, a professional English language teacher with over 5 years of experience, and I'm here to guide you through the first 15 questions of the 2024 Basic Education Certificate Exam, Objective Section A. Together, we'll tackle these sentence completion questions step by step, ensuring you feel confident and prepared for any exam day. So grab your pen, settle in, and let's make learning both fun and rewarding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Let's dive in. In this section from question 1 to 15, we will choose from the options A to D, the one which most suitably completes each sentence. Let's start with question 1. If Azamati had won gold, Ghanaians A. will have jubilated. E. will jubilate. C. would have jubilated. D. would jubilate. The correct answer is C. would have jubilated. The sentence describes a hypothetical past situation, Azamati winning gold, and its potential consequence. Ghanaians jubilating. The verb tense would have jubilated, conditional perfect, is the most suitable choice to express this hypothetical past scenario. So the completed sentence would be, if Azamati had won gold, Ghanaians would have jubilated. Question 2. We were served a meal at that cozy restaurant. A. Spanish delicious spicy. B. Delicious spicy Spanish. C. Delicious Spanish spicy. D. Spicy Spanish delicious. The correct answer is B. Delicious spicy Spanish. When multiple adjectives describe a noun, they typically follow a specific order based on categories such as opinion, size, age, shape, colour, origin, material, and purpose. In this case, the delicious opinion comes first. Spicy ton, quality characteristic, comes next. Spanish by origin comes last. Thus, the correct order is delicious spicy Spanish meal. Question 3. Ali's parents have not bought of the 2 recommended books. A. Any. B. None. C. Neither. D. Either. The correct answer is D. Either. Either is used in negative sentences to refer to one or the other of 2 things. The sentence implies a negative context because not is present. Thus, either fits correctly. The complete sentence would read, Ali's parents have not bought either of the 2 recommended books. Question 4. Adjoa's daughter is allergic. Dust. A. About. B. Against. C. with. D. To. The correct answer is D. To. The correct preposition used with allergic is to. The phrase allergic to indicates a sensitivity or adverse reaction to something. The complete sentence would read, Adjoa's daughter is allergic to dust. Question 5. Dawuda saw the thief. Out of the shop, A. was running. B. is running. C. run. D. ran. The correct answer is C. run. When verbs of perception, like see, hear, watch, are followed by an object and an action, the bare infinitive, example run, is used to describe the action as a complete event. Therefore, Dawuda saw the thief run out of the shop is the grammatically correct choice. The complete sentence would read, Dawuda saw the thief run out of the shop. Question 6. Conlan suggested that it was time they, for the meeting. A. Have to leave. B. Left. C. Had to leave. D. Leave. The correct answer is B. Left. In reported speech, especially with phrases like it was time, the past tense is used even though it refers to the present or immediate future. It was time they left indicates that the action of leaving should happen soon or is overdue. The complete sentence would read, Conlan suggested that it was time they left for the meeting. Question 7. Last Wednesday it rained heavily. The match was played. A. And. B. So. C. For. D. Yet. The correct answer is D. Yet. Yet is used to show a contrast or unexpected outcome. Despite the heavy rain, the match was still played. The sentence suggests that the match proceeded despite the adverse condition. The complete sentence would read, Last Wednesday, it rained heavily, yet the match was played. Question 8. You haven't met each other before. You? A. Hadn't. B. Have. C. Haven't. D. Had. The correct answer is B. Have. The question tag must agree with the auxiliary verb in the main sentence. The main sentence uses haven't, so the question tag must use the positive form, have. The complete sentence would read, You haven't met each other before, have you? Question 9. At my last interview, I faced panel A, 7 members, B, a 7 member, C, a 7 members, D, 7 members. The correct answer is B, a 7 member. When describing a group of people with a specific number, we use a compound adjective like 7 member before the noun. The article a is used because panel is singular, and possessive forms, like 7 members, are not appropriate here. The complete sentence would read, At my last interview, I faced a 7-member panel. Question 10. Which of the dash fragrance or fragrances is milder? A. 2. B. 1. C. Most. D. All. The correct answer is A. 2. The question implies a comparison between two options, as indicated by the use of milder. 2 fits the context because we typically compare two items using the comparative form of an adjective, that's milder. The complete sentence would read, Which of the two fragrances is milder? Question 11. Last month there was A. An eclipse of a sun. B. The eclipse of a sun. C. An eclipse of the sun. D. The eclipse of the sun. The correct answer is C. An eclipse of the sun. The article an is used because eclipse begins with a vowel sound. The sun is correct because sun is a specific celestial body, and we use the to refer to unique entities. The complete sentence would read, Last month there was an eclipse of the sun. Question 12. Among the participants for the competition, Eugenia got here dash early. A. Very. B. Only. C. Often. D. Most. The correct answer is A. Very. Very is the correct adverb to emphasize the extent of early. It makes sense in the context to highlight that Eugenia arrived significantly earlier than others. The complete sentence would read, Among the participants for the competition, Eugenia got here very early. Question 13. Efida's aunt, Dash, lives in Tamale. Spoke to us very courteously. A. Who. B. Whom. C. That. D. Which. The correct answer is A. Who. Who is used to refer to a person and serves as the subject of the relative clause. In this sentence, who lives in Tamale provides additional information about Efida's aunt. The complete sentence would read, Efida's aunt, who lives in Tamale, spoke to us very courteously. Question 14. I will keep my word, promised Kenda. The correct reported speech for the sentence above is A. Kenda promised to keep her word. B. Kenda is promising to keep her word. C. Kenda promises to keep her word. D. Kenda promised to keep her word. The correct answer is D. Kenda promised to keep her word. In reported speech, the verb tense typically shifts back when reporting something said in the past. I will becomes would, and the verb promised is used to report the promise. The correct reported sentence is Kenda promised to keep her word. Question 15. For winning the first position in the essay competition, the school gave Linda a laptop. The correct passive form of the sentence above is for winning the first position in the essay competition, Linda Dash. Given a laptop by the school. A. Is. B. Has been. C. Was. D. Is being. The correct answer is C. Was. The sentence is in the past tense, gave, so the passive form should also use the past tense, was given. In the passive construction, the subject, Linda, receives the action. The complete sentence would read, for winning the first position in the essay competition, Linda was given a laptop by the school. All too soon we've come to the last question for Section A of the 2024 Basic Education Certificate Exams, English Language Objective Questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell notification icon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more educational content. For more study resources, quizzes, and past questions, download Syllabus GH from the Play Store or App Store. Check the link in the description to get started. With Syllabus GH, you'll have everything you need to study right at your fingertips. See you in the next lesson.